Hi everyone, in front of me I've got XIAOMI Pad 5 and let me share with you how to enable developer options on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here in this left section we have to tap on About Tablet. Now we have to find the MIUI version, which should be right here, and all we have to do is to simply keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. If you've got the pattern pin currently set, then your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. So after tapping, we can again go to this left section, and right now we have to scroll down to find additional settings. Now let's scroll down again, and as you can see at the very bottom we've got the developer options, so let's enter. And here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize, as you can see. So for example, we can change the window animation scale, we can show visual feedback for tabs. Here we've got some options which are connected to the Bluetooth and overall to the networking, to the system tracing, and so on and so on. So if you'd like to turn on the option, all you have to do is to simply tap on it, and actually on the switcher, and as you can see it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, like here in the window animation scale, just tap on it in order to open much more advanced settings. So if you are done with customization of developer options, and if you'd like to turn them off, just go to the very top of the list and tap on the switcher right here. And as you can see, most of the options are inactive. What's more, after getting back to the additional settings and probably just turning off the settings completely, the developer options should disappear. Let's check. And as you can see, they disappeared from the additional settings, but of course no worries. If you'd like to customize them again, just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. So actually this is it. This is how to enable developer options in your XIAOMI Pad 5. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.